Hi, my Sudoku friends. Welcome today. We will continue with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, October the 5th, 2020. Yes, we will continue with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. And this 2 stars Sudoku will be number 1689. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. We have here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, plus 5 is 10, 12, 14, plus 3 17, plus 3 is 20, 24, plus 2 is equal to 26. Correct. One less than the previous Sudoku. Alright. So let's get started. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 8. In this big square, we have the 6 and the 8, so no 6 and the 8 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We need a 9 in the first row, so the 9 should be there because 3 missing numbers. One of them is the 9, the second is the 5, and the third should be the 2. 2 and the 5 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5, we see there 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Then. How about the number 1 in this column, 1 in that column? So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about these 4 missing numbers? One of the missing number. Well, wait. First I do this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. Remember that? 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the column next. Now, this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. For 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 3. We have a 3 and a 9 in this column, so no 9 and the 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 and the 3 goes in the other 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. That means we have a 6 in this row, a 6 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8, I cannot fill this yet, need to mark them for you so you can follow it easier, because it's a pair in this big square. 2 missing numbers, the other pair in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the last row for the number 3. We have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes in this column. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers, the 9, the 8, and the 7. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9. The 9 goes in the box next. 2 boxes left, the 7 and the 9. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. So we have a 9 in this row, a 9 in that row. So in the middle row, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the third row. 1 of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in that box. Here 3, no 3 in this box, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 9 and the 7 are left in the third row. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And the 9 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. This should be a 3. and all the nines are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, the column next. So in that column, the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2. Then 1 box left in the last column for the number 6. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Then how about these two numbers? 1, the 2 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. 2 and the 7. Let me mark them for you. How about 1, 2, 3? These 3 numbers. In the first column, the 2 is missing. 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 5, 6, 7. And the 8 is missing. The 8. I cannot fill this yet. Very strange. Strange. 8, 7, and 5. Alright. How about the 1 in this row? A 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, the first column, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be there and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 7. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row are both. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 5. Alright. 1 digit left in the second column for the number 8. Then 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. 2 Stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku. I will continue. So see you later. Bye bye for now.